Hey, what's going on, y'all? We got to talk about those earthquakes. I was actually there when it happened. I was on the fifth floor of my building. Even though I did go outside to see a lot of craziness, it's really Myanmar that suffered a lot. But, we'll get into more of that in the second part of this. I just want to show you some footage from actually in Thailand, what we see. Two buildings that weren't finished collapsed. Um, and it seems as though it was done by a Chinese company, but this is the biggest thing is when everybody was running out and freaking out because earthquakes are brand new to Thai people. So the panicking, shout out to them because they really do show respect and humility to each other. And the thing is, what they're saying is Bangkok is right on like a earth earthquake somebody let me know what that's called. The that has a lot of earthquakes. Anyways, it's right on there because the actual earthquake happened some like 350 miles away. So even before it reached Bangkok, you got a bunch of places that were hit, but a lot of these places don't have big buildings, so. a lot of these buildings had us unable to get back in. But there's always somebody goofy and gonna take an advantage of a situation. So, he bugging. But like I was telling you, they had surgeries done outside. I did actually go by a hospital and saw a bunch of people, but it was everywhere. So yeah, it did seem to be some 77 earthquakes by the morning. Not like we felt them all, but I did feel one the next day. Like my building did shake, and it seems like no one else felt it. But when I checked the earthquake map, they said it happened. So I was looking a little silly on that, but check out part 2.